Hello YouTubers, thanks for tuning in again. So we're going to have a multi-part series for our shop remodel. This project has been really daunting, so we're going to split it up into a few episodes, but the shop is looking great and we're going to show you some of the progress in this video. You get to see me ripping stuff apart, throwing stuff away, breaking stuff. Good fun. All right guys, well, here it is. All right, so we're trying to lay out the main workbench area. Well, this will be the miter saw. So I think this is going to be the miter station. I have about 13 feet to work with. We ran electric. I'm going to have my licensed electrician make all the connections for me. And these are just on here for now, but got my two drawer bases, and then this corner undecided. We may do some drying racks over here, some storage. That's where we're at now. We're getting there. It's cold and I'm tired, but gonna keep going. Well, it's midnight, y'all. I'm exhausted. We're going to pick this up again tomorrow. Peace. So I hope you guys enjoyed that collage. There's some video, some pictures, and I tried to document as I went, but the workload was immense to tear this shed apart. I didn't realize how much stuff I actually had. But that'll wrap it up, give you an idea, a little sneak peek on what's to come. I'm really excited about the new shop, and I can't wait to make some awesome stuff coming out of this new shop. So again, guys, thanks for sticking around. Hit that like button, subscribe, smash that bell so you know when we're releasing new stuff, and we'll see you on the next episode. Thanks, guys.